What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the GMWB5000, the Eric Haze 2022 release. Finally got it. Let's review it. Let's unbox it. Let's go. Alright, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the GMB5000 Eric Haze. Like I said earlier, once I get it, I will review it, and here it is. This is a review and unboxing. If you're new to my channel, I do G-Shock related content, unboxings, reviews, limited edition, how-to videos, real versus fake, a lot of content, all G-Shock related. Here we go. Today we have the GMW-B5000 Eric Haze, and see what I think personally about this collab. I was very excited. This is so far the best of the 40th anniversary watches, and I want to see what we're working with today. So let's go ahead and unbox this baby. It does come with an outer box, but not that relevant and not that important. So I'm gonna go right to the inner box here. You have the Eric Haze logo right on the side there. Pretty cool black and white kind of pencil sketch design on the side of the box right there. And then on top you got a black matte finish on the G-Shock box. All right, open this puppy up, it slides right off, and you're met by Haze logo. Again, if you guys are not familiar with Haze, he designed many of the G-Shock art as well as some of the anniversary designs, including the 30th anniversary right behind here and the other 25th, 10th anniversary designs. So he's done a lot of work with them. Here is his actual box. And as I mentioned before, he has collaborated with G-Shock himself. He's released maybe a few, 3 or 4 different G-Shock designs himself. And here is his logo. This is cool. It's got like a metal brush aluminum finish on the top of the box with a white border around it. Pretty neat. Right? This opens up like so. Flaps open like that. And then, yes, a nice, luxurious G-Shock box. Which I really like. And inside there you have the G-Shock, or sorry, the Haze logo continued right there. The artwork continued right on the top of the box. Pretty neat. And then on the side here, if you're interested, you have manuals, warranty cards, nothing crazy, just the standard G-Shock materials. Okay. The trunk itself is black and white color. All right, nothing special there. Does have the design on top there, the artwork right on top of the cover. Otherwise, it doesn't carry over the side of the box. But let's move this to the side and let's look at the actual watch. Okay, take out some of this packaging here. Nice little white pillow in there, very clean. All right. Look at the tag. We have the GMW-B5000EH for Eric Haze, 1 for black, US $700 retail price. 3459 module, standard GMB5000 base model module, which is the inner components, the mechanics behind this watch, which gives you Bluetooth, solar power, some of the other modes. Nothing crazy, no sensors that I remember, dim lighting, so pretty standard. Here's the barcode in case you need to look for it, including the model number. And here is this baby right here. Let me take some of these stickers and get it naked so we can see what we're working with. I'm excited to see what's under this here clothing. This is the first time I see blue protective packaging on these watches. Usually it's a clear film. But let's remove this here so you can get it off. All right, there we go. Look at this piece. Gorgeous. This one has a glossy, reflective metal stainless steel dial. Very stealthy, very nice looking, very clean display, very legible. I think it's a great design overall. And then you carries over to the band. The band has that Haze logo. You can see that's laser sketched on there. The Haze arrows, the stars, the pattern throughout the band. And stand tuned for the end of this video. You'll see the macro shots of the actual sketching, so you can see how that looks up close and personal. I think that the design plays out very well. It's very beautiful, it's very clean, it looks really good. the glossy with the edge finish, the transition there. Pretty nice. Black buttons on the side. Nice feel and hefty weight. All right, and in the back, you have the 40th anniversary screw back right there. With that's again, Haze's design right there. GMW-B5000, stainless steel, Japan made and cased. Tough solar, 20 bar, 200 meter water resistant. Bluetooth technology. Pretty nice screw back. There's the back of the band. Right there. Right. If you guys are wondering what the modes are, you start off with the time, home time, world time, alarm 1, alarm 2, alarm 3, alarm 4, and then the snooze. So about 5. Signal indication. Stopwatch, which also gives you the window on top with the time, your home time. Timer, same thing. Back to your home time. Very nice watch, guys. Yet again, my favorite of the 30th or 40th anniversary watches so far. The flare is not my favorite. The GMW-B5000, I love squares, and I think it did a marvelous job with the Eric Haze design. This is one I think should be added to your collection. Indeed. You guys have to see this in person. It's absolutely stunning. And there is the back of the watch, the buckle. Here, I think it's not bad. It's not terrible. It would have been nice if they added the Haze logo there. But assuming that that will be the part that probably gets scratched the easiest, the fastest because of the wearing on tables and whatnot, it was probably okay to not go overly drastic with details here. But nevertheless, I think it would have been nice to include the Haze logo on the back plate here on the actual buckle. So now let's check out the backlight and also show you some macro shots. Let's go. Look at that backlight. It has the Eric Haze logo right on the inside of theirs. That's pretty nice. Very clean design. Very clean. All right, now let's show you guys macros. Alright guys, and there you have it. The GMW-B5000 Eric Haze 2022 collaboration 40th anniversary design. A must get, I think, in my personal opinion. A great design. I think you'll like this one. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This is Chicago. Holla at your boy. Have a merry and happy Thanksgiving. Till next time, I'm out of here. Oops. Peace.
My G-Shock, I'm rocking 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 my G-Shock.